Inhlangano ebhekele ezempilo enhlanganweni yezizwe i-World Health Organization isihlonze igciwane i-corona njengobhubhane phecelezi i-pandemic. Njengamanje bayizinkulungwane eziyi-118 abantu asebetheleleke ngaleli gciwane emazweni ayi-114 emhlabeni jikelele. Le nhlangano ithi sebe ngu-4,291 abantu asebeshonile ngenxa yaleli gciwane.
When we say the situation now is pandemic, we are not saying that the world should move from containment to mitigation. We are not. We believe as WHO that the comprehensive or blended approach should continue. And in that comprehensive and blended approach, containment should be the major pillar. As Mike said, the numbers themselves actually speak why we're saying this. 81 countries have no cases, so they should do everything to prevent from importing any case.